The NDP says a memo issued by the SHA on February 7th is an attempt to silence healthcare workers by the government. That day, 2 NDP MLAs were in the community of Lanigan, but they did not make a formal request to tour the hospital. They did, however, plan to speak with healthcare workers.
While we were meeting with municipal leaders and healthcare workers off-site, a confidential hush memo was issued to employees of the Lanigan Hospital. The hush memo stated that hospital employees were forbidden from answering questions or providing any information to opposition MLAs.
Mo would suggest the memo was issued at the direction of the government, but she did not provide any evidence of that. She and other NDP MLAs traveled around the province earlier this year and toured several health facilities. They say they were accompanied by Sask party MLAs and staffers. In question period, the health minister shot back at the allegations of muzzling healthcare workers with the memo.
They're taking everything and they're multiplying it by 10, Mr. Speaker. It is absolutely ridiculous. I met with 2 doctors yesterday. I'm meeting with another doctor later on this afternoon. I'm meeting with 9 nurses later on this week. We are sitting down at the tables in the coffee rooms of the healthcare facilities. We're talking to nurses. We're engaging with them virtually. Well, they certainly had no problem talking to you and all the other tours you went to, didn't they? Didn't it?
Merriman says the government is not silencing anyone.
We have never, ever muzzled healthcare workers, Mr. Speaker. We will not do that. Health workers are very open and engaging with us, sometimes brutally honestly, Mr. Speaker, and that's okay.
Merriman says the memo in question is part of the SHA's overall guidance to its staff and facilities and is sent out periodically. It is not meant in any way to interfere with any planned tours by the NDP. Mowat says the timing of the February 7th memo is highly suspicious. Adam Hunter, CBC News, Regina.